Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so they can talk. On the PC, enable Bluetooth in Settings and make the adapter discoverable. On the iPhone, open Settings Bluetooth and keep the screen unlocked. Once both are visible, select the iPhone from the PC list and accept the pairing PIN on both devices. Make sure Audio Profile or Media Audio is allowed when pairing. Otherwise, Windows will not treat the iPhone as a speaker. Once paired, you're ready to route sound. Now you route PC audio to the iPhone. Open Windows Sound Settings and choose the paired iPhone as the output device. This switches system sound to the phone. If you don't see it, make sure the iPhone is connected with the Media Audio A2DP profile. Some adapters default to call audio only. If Bluetooth cannot provide the A2DP sync, install a helper app on the iPhone that exposes an audio receiver and follow its connection routine. Once the sync is selected, test with music. Finish by verifying volume levels and app-specific output. Some players require manual output selection. If you need lower latency or Bluetooth fails, use a Lightning to USB solution with an audio receiver app on the iPhone, connect the cable, choose the app's input, and set Windows output accordingly. If audio drops or no device appears, unpair both devices, restart Bluetooth services on the PC, and toggle Bluetooth on the iPhone. That one restart fixes most connection and profile issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.